Hello, myself Mohsin, uh, and today my topic is how to remove blank rows in Excel. Without any extra discussion or in detail, come to the conceptual video. First of all, you can see the screen. There's a six steps which I prepare for you guys to remove blank rows under the data set. If your data set contains some empty rows, don't worry, you don't need to delete them manually. Just follow these simple steps. First of all, you can see if your data set contains some empty rows like that, you currently you are deleting manually or one by one like this or like this. So don't do that. I know it's a time taking process, so that's why I have prepared the video. I have made the video for you guys. First of all, I just reset the data. So you can see the first step or initial step is to select the whole data, like the complete data, uh, where the blank rows occurred. When you select the whole data, you don't need to you don't need to do delete the rows manually. You just like this. You can see the second step. When you select the whole data, press Ctrl G. Yeah, like that, like this. Ctrl G, and then the third step, go click the special button. Yeah, then click or press the special button. When you click or press the special button, you can see the go to special box appeared on your screen. You just click on blank option or choose blank option under the table or box. Then you simply click on OK button. So here you are. So your steps are like this. Blank you choose and press OK button. Fourth step has been completed simply. And then the fifth step is like control plus dash, like this, or you can control and minus simultaneously press. This is the short key. So when you press these, you can see the delete box appeared, and that box or table has 4 options. You just choose the entire option and press or click on OK button, and you can see the magic. That's the magical terms and short keys and short process to delete the empty rows under the big data. You don't need now. You guys don't need to delete the rows one by one or manually under your meaningful data. And I know that was a time-taking process. That's why I prepared the video for you guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more knowledgeful and practical videos. Also, thanks for you guys. Keep supporting me. So love you. Thank you.